Hey guys, another day comes, and as you can see, what things we are having, you can just check it out. The top things, rain interruption, and straight away we have started recording and look at those, and you can see the water is producing multiple colors, so it's a very unique thing. And have a look, here comes the Brazil jersey. You can see it. I know there is no start, but I just got the jersey in the trends shop, and there I got this. And you can see the logo of FIFA World Cup 2026, but Brazil has already been eliminated from the round of 32, or I think round of 16. Okay, round of 16 or round of 32, I don't. Okay, round of 32. So I got it. So this is the rain interruption, and anyways, bye. Let's continue.